Fred had a little mishap on a corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit further back. You know very well about it. There it is there. Bit of damage on the bike, bit of scratches. Fred's limping with his one arm. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Stopping for lunch soon in Barberton. So here I'm southern Botswana, in a place called Luderitz. I've come for a walk for the afternoon, found this dry riverbed. Found some mongoose so far, lots of birds. There's some vultures up in the tree here above me. Absolutely nobody around. Lots of animal prints. Middle of nowhere. I'm walking the bush here outside Luderitz, following a fence line so I don't get lost out here in this flat wilderness. There are absolutely no landmarks. It's just flat bush. Well, here we are just across the border into Namibia. Don't know what this place's name is. Just had a flat tire. Lifted the bike onto this rock, changed the tube, the valve was ripped out, and off we go now towards Rundu. So we've arrived in Nkwazi River Lodge, just about 3-4 kilometers short of Rundu. We're going to spend the night here. Had quite a heavy day, a long stop at the border post, plus a flat front wheel which ended up being a tube. The valve was ripped out, so we replaced that along the road. It is all good to go now again. So we're taking a rest here halfway between Grootfontein and Tsumeb on our way to the Etosha Pans. Going to spend the night somewhere around Tsumeb tonight. We're hoping to get some spares in this area. Grootfontein has got a bike shop. Tsumeb has also got one apparently. We need a tube, spare front tube. Shock. No chance of getting one of those here, I don't think. And a couple of other things for Peter's bike. Some globes and mirror that broke and a few other things. Yeah, my bike is still a push starter, so every time we stop on a hill or somewhere where I can give it a push. Standing out on the Etosha Pan, a view site here where we can walk out onto the pan. It is absolutely vast, about 200 k's by 100 kilometers wide, with absolutely nothing. There's our giant car for the day, doing Etosha in style. Video going. There's a lot of animals there.
eendag sien ek 'n klein dogtertjie eenkant uit.
Hey, this place, Namibia, is just like the old South Africa. Nostalgia of note.
En ek sê spring, liefde, was in begin jaar. Wil jy graag 'n groot geheim hoor? Almal wil graag soos jy wees, want jy's pragtig, liefde.
Ja, shop. Just asking me.
Etosha Primary School there?
Christians, you see.
Here we are between Grootfontein and Etosha on the back road, on the shortcut, and the KLR is finally starting again with a button, not with a push. Right, so we left Etosha this morning and we're heading towards Swakopmund. Just came through a little town called Croaked about 50 kilometers ago, and now we're properly in the desert. Lots of rocks. There was lots of elephant dung further back, signs of kudu and other antelope. No fences around here, so the game's just wild. Yeah, another puncture. Now I hit a bad rock a little bit further back. I think it's an impact puncture. Halfway between nowhere and nowhere. We're going from Kurigas to Henties Bay. Look what it looks like around here. There's lots of nothing. Lots of it. Peter's gone up ahead. He's a few kilometers up ahead. I'm going to have to find a big rock. Get this tube out. Yeah, there's a real desert. Fixed that puncture about 80 k's back, 70 k's back. Still haven't arrived in Henties. Long straight road with absolutely nothing. I'm looking for diamonds. All I want is one big blue one. I'll keep looking. We're traveling between Henties Bay, which is way in the distance in the north up there, and we're heading towards Swakopmund. Inland of us is just desert. Yeah, we found another biker here. He's got an XT250. We're traveling between Walvis Bay and Sesrim. Beautiful, beautiful landscape out here. Absolutely nothing. And somehow I think we're not going to make it tonight to our campsite. Well, to any campsite. I think our campsite is going to be the desert tonight. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're outside a little town called Solitaire. We decided, well, not decided, we forced to camp on the side of the road here. Lovely spot in the desert. We were on our way up to a campsite, but the road is very, very sandy. Good thing we didn't make it because it's full anyway. Thanks, Philip. We just met Philip over here.
How's it?
Philip's just passed me a glass of wine. He's camping with us in the desert too. Got a lucky little fire going. Yeah.